Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Colorado LT. Comes equipped with a 2.7 liter turbo engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium heated bucket seats, Google Assistant and Maps, Rev Industries hard rolling tonneau cover, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior. We're going to have this black interior, the paneling, a couple of storage at the bottom. Mix of speakers, comes up to the power locks, mirrors and windows with the chrome accent. We're going to have these black running boards here. And these heated cloth bucket seats, super comfortable. Left side will be your vents, and as well as your integrated brake controller on the bottom. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control and forward collision alert, and the right side being your voice recognition and odometer screen switch. And it switches through different gauges here, as well as your tire pressure, fuel economy, Google Maps, forward gap adjuster, and just your simple design. It's going to be push to start. And on to the infotainment, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. Here you hit vehicle status, and that's going to give you all the information you need on the vehicle with tires, brakes, fluids, and filters, as well as a trip info. And built-in Amazon Alexa with Wi-Fi hotspot and other downloadable apps, as well as the backup camera with rear park assist and your hitch view. Down below, you're going to have lane keep assist and auto stop, as well as auxiliary power with 2 USB ports and a wireless charger pad. You're gonna have your transfer case and center console storage as well. Passenger side, same finish, but manually adjustable. Chrome accents across, speakers and vents up top, and then huge access reading lamps, and your OnStar and SOS. So you're gonna do 17-inch wheels on Goodyear Territory tires with the black mirror caps and the body style keyless entry door handles. Comes to the back, Rev Industries hard rolling cover with the corner step bumper. Trailer hitch and fifth wheel just down below. You got the built-in ruler, storage inside, and as well as your bed tie downs. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, get a cup holder storage next to speaker, power window with chrome accent. Snow off. Pretty decent leg room. Storage behind the passenger side with rear cup holders, rear vents, and a USB port. Seats fold up for more storage. Manual rear sliding window. Lamps up top, and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Colorado LT. Equipped with a 2.7 liter turbo engine, as well as heated bucket seats, Google Assistant and Maps, Rev Industries hard rolling cover, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.